Meaning of evil-doer.
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 Evil-doer. Evil-doer refers to a person who intentionally causes harm, whether physical, emotional, or psychological, to others. These individuals may engage in criminal activities, violent behavior, or manipulative tactics in order to achieve their goals. The result of their actions can be devastating for their victims, leading to physical injury, trauma, or financial loss. Evildoers often lack empathy and remorse for their actions, which can make it difficult for them to understand the impact of their behavior on others. Ultimately, the actions of evildoers can have far-reaching and long-lasting consequences for those affected by their behavior.